Having a strong immune system is a signal of health, and to stay healthy, it is necessary to pay attention to what we eat. Did you know that, besides foods, having healthy habits such as sleeping well, practicing physical activities, etc., is essential for strengthening our body? Thinking about it, we decided to make a list of foods you must eat if you want to improve your immunity and become more resistant to viruses and bacteria that are around us every day. One of the main items of this list is propolis. Have you ever heard of it? Derived from a substance that coats bees' hives, propolis has antiseptic and protective effects. Besides that, propolis also inhibits the proliferation of undesirable microorganisms, both in the hive and in the human body. Isn't it interesting? Propolis can be consumed daily, either in drops or capsules. Besides this alternative, experts also suggest increasing the consumption of some vitamins and minerals. Besides using propolis, you can also ingest vitamins from A to Z. In this case, it is worthy to invest in multivitamins, but if you want, you can also ingest zinc, found in meats, dairy, cereals, and seafood. This vitamin acts in many cell functions that are directly involved with the immune system. Iron, found in meats and innards, and also in legumes like beans and beet, although in fewer amounts. Iron is responsible for transporting oxygen through the blood for all the body, and also protects us against infections. Vitamin E, found in oil seeds such as almonds, hazelnuts, and chestnuts, in egg yolks and liver. It acts in the prevention of oxidative stress, strengthening the immune system. And last but not least, vitamin A. It can be found in dairy, liver, fish, and orange vegetables. This vitamin is responsible for the antioxidant defense of our bodies. Eat more garlic, onion, ginger, and tomato. These seasonings are largely used in culinary by almost all the world. However, they are not just mere seasonings. Besides giving our food lots of flavor, they are also used in natural medicine and are all great allies of our immune system since they have anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antiparasitic, antibacterial, antifungal, and antioxidant substances. Besides that, did you know that tomatoes are rich in vitamins A and C, sodium, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, and iron? Are you enjoying the video? Then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It helps the channel a lot. Citrus fruits and dark green vegetables. These foods have vitamin C, which works by stimulating the immune system and acts in the reconstruction of leukocytes, protecting us from damages caused by free radicals while our body fights infections. Protein seeds, whole grains, legumes. Proteins, chicken, beef, and seafood. Seeds, pumpkin, sunflower, and chia. Whole grains, oats, and legumes, lentil, peas, beans, and chickpeas, are foods that are rich in zinc, an essential mineral for the defense against virus, bacteria, and fungus. Oil seeds, because they also contain zinc in their composition. Nuts, chestnuts, and almonds are rich in vitamin E and selenium, important nutrients for the immune system, and also potent antioxidants that help fight the free radicals, protecting our body from oxidative stress. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.